Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear? Tend to your thoughts with care. They have the power to grow weeds or flowers. Cleo Wade. Your thoughts carry momentum. Today, pick which seed to plant. State something you're grateful for. Greatness is always in the moment of the decision. Jeff Olson. Work out or stream TV, salad or fries. No small decision will make or break you today, but over time, these moments define who you are. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's check this box. What makes you feel whole? How can I be more generous today? Are you a source of light? What did you lose recently that ended up freeing you? What are you curious about? Name 3 things you want to go explore more on or about. What is something you do more out of obligation than enjoyment? Can you find more joy in it? What do you promise yourself? If you don't do that, maybe start. What patterns do you see from childhood repeating themselves? Nip it in the butt. What are you hiding? Are you being whole? What are you avoiding out of fear? What would happen if you faced it? The only way to find out is to do it. What do you want to be remembered for? Change your route today or routine today and see what you notice. What can you do to guard yourself against someone else's mood? Share your comments below so we can all learn new ways to protect ourselves and our peace. What recent experiences filled you up? Are you where you want to be? Where you need to be? And the last one today. Can you turn down the noise of all the voices competing for your attention? All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.